everybody, it's your favorite broke beauty guru and Trigger Bohannon. And we're going to be trying out the New Orleans hamburger and seafood spot, which is up the block from where we live. So we're on our way down to hop in the car. Alright, so we're hopping in the vehicle and we're going to head up there. It's like literally up the block. So we made it after we made a stop at Walmart. We're gonna go in, we're gonna eat, order some food. There goes my beautiful husband. He got the strawberry margarita for like $6. It's super strong because the alcohol content out here is higher than most states. So yeah, I played it safe. Everything is stronger. Everything is definitely stronger. I took a sip of that. And I made a face. Yo, even the beer content, like, I'm sick with my non-alcoholic. But I ordered a seafood platter with catfish and shrimp, and hush puppies, and New Orleans slaw. I think that's what it's called. But this is what it looks like.
It tells you the number to go.
What number?
It tells you the number.
Smart. So I'm here with my coconut ice, unlimited coconut ice. Trigger's got the strawberry margarita, which is strong. Yeah. But we'll be back when the food gets here. I just want to see him eat it. This is what I got. Like. This is. What's your name?
My name is Rihanna. They're eating at New Orleans hamburger and seafood.
Ow! Yes! Shout out to her. She was really sweet and helped us out. It was very super awesome. And now Trigger finally dressed up his burger. Let's see what he thinks. I'm trying the hush puppies. I'm just watching you dress up that whole thing. Well, give it a bite.
An all-American burger is better than all-American burgers.
Stop! Stop! But you like it? It's good?
Yeah.
You like it?
The burger.
The shrimp is good. I'm gonna try a catfish. This is infamously thin fried or thin sliced.
That's not calamari.
No, this is shrimp. One piece. I'm dunking it in. Look at that.
There's no tail, are there?
I don't know what that sauce is, but it is good. It's fish tartare, I think. What do you think?
Only seafood I'll eat it.
That's good.
It's a little expensive, but it's
That's
alright.
really good.
But it's alright.
It's good. Definitely like it.
Better than fast food burger.
We'll let you know our thoughts afterwards. Alright, so I got a little full off the seafood platter. But it is absolutely delicious. I'm still picking at it. But I would definitely say 8 out of 10. Service, 10 out of 10. Trigger, of course, inhaled his. So, there's that. So he doesn't get any leftovers. But he's on, I know from the bottom of my soul, if I heat this up, he's gonna eat all my shrimp. And I know this because he likes his fried shrimp. So, yeah. Hush puppy was good. This is what's left. Garlic herb fries are very delicious. I was surprised about that. Put the fish tartare and the shrimp cocktail, and we're good to go. Alright, we're heading out. Thank you again. Thank you too. Definitely come and stop at the Bullard Road, New Orleans hamburger and seafood spot. I loved it. I thought it was delicious. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my damn.
What the hell is even that?
Alright, so we're getting in the car. Trigger's being a grouch. And is he not? Right? We expect this of Trigger. And we're heading back to the house. So we tried out these new cigarettes. They're called Marlboro NXT. You know, see me, but you know, let me just do it from this angle. This is what they look like. And they can go from regular to menthol with just a snap. Smoke it. Alright, we made it safe. This was the Bookers. And then son of Bookers. Hi baby. There he is. Hi baby. Yes. I'm happy to see you too. Listen, why is your nanny hoo-ha's crusty? Why is it crusty? Why is it crusty? How's your baby? I'm a bookaboo. I'm gonna give you one too. Both my babies. Baby Bookish. Bookish. Alright, so we're back home. Trigger's ready to play some Red Dead on his backup account. But don't forget to give us a like, subscribe. New videos every Monday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time now. You know, I'm an hour behind New York. And don't forget to catch my very first book, Pure Blood Eternal, available on Amazon Books. My second book on Wattpad, Masculine Warrior. And without further ado, I'm your host for Wrestling with Beauty, the Broke Beauty Guru, the Ring Queen Lexa Rose, and the royalty of wrestling, saying, keep Gucci Pucci, bitches.